Dear members of JC India, in this tutorial, let us learn how to recover your account in case if you have forgotten your password. To do that, visit JC India's members portal. Over here, click on Forget Password and enter your membership ID. After that, click on Send OTP. This will send an one-time password to your verified mobile number, and if you have your email verified, you will also receive the one-time password in your verified email account as well. Once you have received the OTP, enter it in this column. Upon successful verification of your one-time password, you will be prompted to create a new password. Over here, and create a new password that is at least 6 digits in character. Click on Save. That's it. Your new password is created. Use your membership ID and the newly created password to continue logging into the portal. If your account does not have a verified mobile number or a verified email ID, you may have to contact the JC India NHQ to reset your password. In this example, I'm going to give a membership ID which does not have a verified mobile number or a verified email ID. In that case, you will get a message, something that says like this. So, it is important to update and verify your mobile number and email ID with the members portal. Hope you all have done that. If you haven't, check out that video in the description given below. Thank you. Meet you again. Bye.